Hello guys, I finally got it, the Apple Pencil 2. Do you know I have been waiting for this moment for so long and I can't wait to unboxing it with you right now. Look at the packaging, it's so clean and with the vibe of it feels super light, clean, smooth and premium in my hand. The design is minimal but it is really elegant. I love it. So now let's connect to our iPad together. Let's see the process step by step and you can connect your pencil with your iPad. Okay, so after you connect it, you can use any tool that you can draw on your iPad and connect with your Apple Pencil. So everyone, I will tell you about my purpose why I buy this pencil. Okay, do you know I love taking handwriting notes, scratching my idea and using visual to explain things to my team and also my teammates that study or work collaborate with me, okay? Therefore, so my main reason for getting this pencil is to draw note and explanation my idea to my team. But not only that, I also use it to write my daily to-do list and capture new creative idea wherever I am. It is like having a digital notebook that never run out of the page. Okay, now let's check out the iPad case I bought the same day. I wanted something that looks clean but also protects my iPad really well. Okay, it looks so clean, slick and professional right now. I love it. So totally I am honestly too excited to start using it. In my next video, I will show you exactly how to use this Apple Pencil on my iPad for note, scratch or idea creation. So stay tuned, you are gonna love it. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.